We're going in. We're going in.
There's this raised bead and rap music.
Ew.
Nice.
Ew. Why? I think this is inappropriate.
You're right. Yeah, they're so good.
Second, please don't make fun of me.
What are you
I do.
doing?
Now what is this?
What do you want? What the fuck are you doing?
Here, right? We're gonna go screw around with people. Alright. Who's we? Talk for yourself, man.
Excuse me? Where's the, what does it say? The Kensington toning?
What?
What?
What are you looking for?
It says, like, Kintone. Never mind. Whatever. Thank you. Now that was an Asian lady.